Hello friends and my dear students, I am Dr. Vishnu Agrawal welcomes you in my channel Engineering Setu. So today we will discuss the solution of NPTEL assignment 4 of subject Computer Integrated Manufacturing SIM. So before starting the assignment, I request you to subscribe my channel so that you will get the next solution in time. Okay, let's discuss the assignment. Question number 1. What does ATC stand for in CNC machining centers? So among these options, the automatic tool changer. Second option is correct, automatic tool changer. Next question. CNC turning machine can be horizontal or vertical depending on the tolerance and weight of the workpiece. It's a true statement. True statement. Second. What is the primary function of multi-axis cutting tool in CNC machine? So among these options, third option is correct, enabling precise cut in many directions. So function of multi-axis, main function of multi-axis is to enabling precise cut in many directions. What does percentage range of hardness is recommended for cutting tool in comparison to the material it will work on? So option 3 is correct, 30 to 50%. 30 to 50% range of hardness. Question number 5. For a cutting tool to be effective, it should be easily fabricated, have high thermal conductivity, have low coefficient of friction. All the options are correct. So fourth option, all of these is correct for the cutting tool. Next question 6. To improve the properties of high speed steel, certain surface treatments are necessary. True. So to increase the property of high speed steel, so surface treatments are necessary. What type of rake angle is recommended to the tool to reduce the force applied to the ceramic tip? So negative rake angle. Negative rake angle is recommended to the tool to reduce the force applied to the ceramic tip. Which type of magazine is used in CNC turning centers with modular tooling for storing large number of tools? Drum type tool magazines. Option 1 is correct. Next question, ninth question. Given the following ISO coding for tungsten carbide inserts used in turning, determine the nose radius for TNMG 220408. This is the designation of tungsten carbide. So here the right answer is 0.8. 0.8 mm is the right answer for this. Question number 10. Which fixture is used to mounting multiple objects on the different faces? Tombstone. Tombstone is the correct answer. So here is the solution of assignment 4 of SIM. So let me revise. For question number 1, second option is correct. For question number 2, it's a true statement. For question number 3, enabling precise cut in many directions. For question number 4, 30 to 50%. For a cutting tool to be effective, it should all of these. To improve the properties of high speed steel, certain surface treatments are necessary. True. 7th, negative rake angle. 8th, drum type tool magazines. For 9th, question number 9, second option is correct, 0.8 mm. For question number 10, tombstone is the correct option.